Friends, happy morning, all of you. Today, I would like to interact with you on a topic, namely, you may not born with success, but you are born to succeed. So, you may not born with success, but you are born to succeed. So, let us see what is a success. Different people define success or describe success very differently. But I prefer to call success as a progressive realization of worthy goals. But for some people, success may be a good wealth or you know but the something having a good money, having a big bungalow and like that. But somebody describes success beautifully, that is, success is all about figuring out who you are. You must know who you are and living with the true purpose, with what purpose you are living, and finding out what you love to do and doing it every single moment in life is success. This definition also I like very much. Success is all about figuring out who you are and living with the true purpose and finding out what you love to do and doing it every single moment in life is success. To put it all these points together, I prefer to call success as a progressive realization of worthy goals. In order to get success in your life, the first and foremost thing is you must have a positive affirmation in your mind. So affirmation, a statement of the existence or truth of something, that should be a positive one. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. Your life is what your thoughts make it. Always have a positive affirmation in your mind. So then only you will be able to get success in your life. Why? Because, and when you don't think positively, automatically negative thoughts enter in your mind and they again come to your mind, and that becomes negative thoughts becomes mantra, and you will become a negative person and you will not achieve anything. So that's why always think in a positive manner, always think in a positive way. And so always, that's what Napoleon also said, what mind conceives you will get. What mind conceives you will get. Our Upanishad says, Yad bhavam tad bhavati. What your mind thinks, you will get it in your life. That is your life. What Dale Carnegie said, your life is what your thoughts make it. So all things depend on mind. So always think in a positive way, have a positive affirmation. So for example, you always think, I am going to get success. My success is contagious. From my success, people will get inspiration and they will also become successful person in the life. Always think like that. Always keep that positive affirmation in your mind and always think that I get success. I celebrate every moment of my success. And but always think and follow. You are a person of value and worth. So, and always think, I know what I want from my life. I know what I want from my life. What is the purpose of my life? And I must know what I love to do. And I'll do it every moment in my life. Think like that. So I am successfully attracting success, successfully people around me. So I am a success magnet. Wherever I am there, I get success. Whatever project I take, I get success. I attract success and prosperity with all my ideas. I have a lot of ideas. I have belief that I can implement or I can execute my ideas into the projects and I get the success, and always think I am an example for success. So people will come to know how I am successful, and I am set an example for success. Always think today is the day that I make my dream come true. I have a lot of dreams, I have vision, I have so many goals with a time period to achieve. Today is the day. Always think like I am living the life of my dreams. So think like that, you will get success. That's one aspect. Another positive affirmations. So you should have positive affirmation. Then and my success declarations. So success. So success? What are the letters that make the success? S, U, C, C, E, S, S. So let us see about what do you mean by success? Acronym for success. Acronym for success. S. S stands for I strongly believe in myself. Without self-confidence, you cannot achieve anything. S stands for I strongly believe in myself. U stands for I understand my life and live with a purpose. I understand my life. Say, what is the purpose of my life? What I should do? What I should love? And whether am I doing? Am I doing the thing which I like, which I love? Then C stands for I create positive mentality. I create positive mentality. Again, C stands for I commit to excellence. I commit to excellence. Another C stands for I commit to excellence. E stands for I educate myself continuously. Learning should be a continuous process. You should not stop. So E stands for I educate myself continuously. S stands for I stay focused on my dreams and goals. So another S stands for I surround myself with highly successful people. Look at the acronym for success. The first S stands for I strongly believe in myself. I can do what I want in my life. Such a potential energy I have, such a tremendous energy levels I have. I am not inferior to anybody. I am equally competent to get what I want in my life. Such type of feeling, such type of belief, such type of conviction, you should have it. So that is the first letter, yes. S stands for I strongly believe in my capabilities, in myself. That is, U stands for I understand my life. See, my birth is an accidental. My birth is by merely a chance. Out of lakhs of sperms, by chance, one sperm united with egg, that resulted my birth. But my life should not be chance. My life should be by choice. There should be so many avenues. There should be so many opportunities before me. I should choose. Which I must prefer, which I must take it up. So that is by choice. My life should be by choice, but not chance. My success is because of choice, not by chance. So I understand my life with a purpose. Then another C stands for I create positive mentality. That's very important. If you don't think positively, negative thoughts automatically comes to your mind, and they continuously come to your mind. So negative thoughts to your mind becomes a habit, and negative thoughts become your mantra, and you will never achieve anything in your life. For example, if you want to be wealthy person, so those thoughts don't come to the mind. So then you feel that I will never become a rich man. I will never become a rich man. So, and definitely you will be like a poor person only. Say, nobody loves me. Nobody loves me. If you think like that, nobody will love you. Nobody can show affection towards you in a similar way that. So another C, I commit to excellence. Whatever job you take, whatever project you take, and you should commit by yourself to get the excellence in that project or in that whatever you may take in that work. So I commit to excellence. E stands for I educate continuously. That's very important. So learning should never be stopped. So then S stands for I stay focused on my dreams and goals. My attention, all my neurons concentrate, all my neurons channelize in such a way to achieve my goals and dreams. That's why I stay focused on my dreams and goals. Then and last year S and stands for I surround myself with highly successful people, because if you surround the people who got measurable failures in their life, they will influence you and you will not get any inspiration from that, and you will never get success. Always have people around you who are highly successful people. So surround yourself to highly successful people. That is an acronym for success. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.